A little rainy out, kind of cloudy out, and chilly, I would even say. Here's a loop of over the past hour of how the storm progressed, and it's moving very quickly to the northeast. What it did is it provided for some decent rainfall very quickly across DFW, Collin County, and then eventually Hunt County, now progressing towards the northeast. And yeah, there was even some lightning embedded with this. We were going to see a little more shower activity from Emory, Sulphur Springs, Quitman as well. A look of the entire area. You can see that all is progressing mostly to the east. Most of this is now east of I-35. What we're looking at is a cold front, and that cold front has cleared North Texas, and it is to the southeast now. And behind the front, we're getting what's called overrunning, and that's pretty much where we get this very light rain from. Not severe. Fortunately, it's a little bit too cool for that to happen here in North Texas. So no threat for severe weather here locally. Between now and about 1, we'll notice this still shifting towards the east. By 2, a lot of the coverage tends to lower, and we'll keep some of the cloud cover in place most of the day. The cloud cover and the north wind both working together to keep our temperatures on the cool side for a majority of the day. Any potential for higher coverage of rain is mostly in central and in east Texas this afternoon and evening. Meanwhile, our temperatures certainly reflecting that cold front. 56 degrees right now in Dallas, 54 in Fort Worth, about 53 in Denton, 54 in McKinney. That front well to the southeast, ahead of the front into the upper 70s, mid 70s in center Texas there. We'll watch these numbers go up slightly when the rain continues to push east. We'll see our temperature climb slightly. I'm thinking we stay at about 67 in Fort Worth, 68 in Dallas. A lot of us will struggle to even make it into the upper 60s today because of the cloud cover. Speaking of, that's what it looks like outside our Rockwall Trend tower camera. Temperature of 54 degrees, winds out of the northwest, gusting over 20 miles per hour at times, and you can see the cloud cover pretty consistent across the sky there. Our high temperatures are going to be on the climb, but still on the cool side today and tomorrow. Today, about 12 degrees cooler than normal. Tomorrow, a high near 74 degrees. We will see that gradual climb, though, with 83 degrees on Friday and into the upper 80s Saturday, 86 degrees on Mother's Day Sunday. Your Mother's Day weekend forecast does feature another round of rain possible, with a high near 88 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and a wind shift on Sunday as our next front comes in, about 30% coverage of rain. Now I need you to keep checking back in with us. This system still is offshore, hasn't developed in the states yet, but we'll see that it could bring about 30% coverage of rain, 86 for the high, mostly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms in the mix. The latest data is indicating that we could see rain as early as Saturday evening. This is around 7 p.m. in the form of scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm south of DFW mainly. We'll continue to see the scattered rain on Sunday as well. I don't think this weekend will be a washout, but certainly a weekend to be paying attention if you do have any outdoor plans scheduled for mom. We are expecting our highs to stay in the mid 80s though on Mother's Day. Next week looking a little warmer with highs in the mid to upper 80s for the first part of the week, even some 90s sprinkled in there. But until then, enjoy the cooler weather. We don't see highs in the 60s too often in May. Matt?
All right. Thank you so much, Mariel. After 10 years in foster care,